Hello, my name is Jim Zarkos. I'm the Managing Director of Sevaan Group. We're a metal manufacturing company located in southwest Sydney. We produce componentry for the mining, gaming, medical, electronic industries, white goods industries. We started with our small machines. We plodded along. The business grew. It was one night I was on the internet Googling away and I saw the 2020 compact with the loader and unloader, and I said to myself, as soon as I saw it, I said, that's the machine I've got to buy. So it was a trump, and being an ex-trump person, I quickly got onto Peter Chloe and I said, look, I need one of these machines, and it just so happened he had one at the exhibition in Sydney. So I, with a bit of tossing and throwing and talking to accountants saying, no, you can't buy it because you can't afford it, the business can't pay for it, but I knew that that was the future. I knew it. So I said, bugger the accountants, what do they know? So I went there and I purchased the machine. And I didn't have a building to put it in, but I knew that was the future. So that preempted me to buy the facility at Minto. So I ended up buying the machine, and then I bought the building, and poor Peter was stressing over it because he's saying, look, you bought this machine, when are you going to move it? And so forth. I said, no, look, we got the building, that's all right. So we put it into the building. The automatic loader unloader came on, and that just changed the entire dynamics of the business, the automation. It gave us a lot more flexibility within the marketplace. Our setup times were greatly reduced. We were able to run the machine at night with none of us in the building, so we'd load the machine up with the work. It'd work through the night. We'd come in the morning, it's already processed. We'd just unpack the product through the micro joints and then move them on to the other respective work centres. That in turn created a flow-on effect where the machine was producing so much work we had to invest in press brakes. So we ended up purchasing a press brake. We looked at the market, the type of work we were doing, and of course setups were a big issue for us. So we needed something that was fast in setting. The runtime wasn't critical for me, it was the setup time that was critical. And looking at all of the machines that were available, the V50 was the best suited machine for us. And sure enough, we purchased it, we put it into place, and from a volume point of how much work can go through the machine, that outstripped all of the other machines that we had. And still to this day, the machine that produces the most work per shift is the V50. Of course, we have to be very price competitive to be able to service the market, and the flexibility that we have with our technology and the future machines and technology that we're looking at will just make us more and more competitive.